In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add or import a calendar to Outlook. We'll use Outlook on the web because it's the quickest way to bring in a calendar file and have it show up across your devices. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Google. Type Outlook, press Enter and click the official Outlook website. If you're asked to sign in, go ahead and do that so you land on your mailbox. From here, look at the left sidebar and switch to Calendar by selecting the calendar icon. That puts you in the calendar view where we can add new schedules. On the calendar page, find the Add Calendar option. Depending on your layout, you'll see it on the left panel or near the top. Click Add Calendar, then choose Upload from File. This option is perfect when you have a calendar export, usually in .acs file, from another app or a shared schedule someone sent you. Outlook also supports certain .csv exports, but .acs is the most common for events. Click Browse, and a file picker will open. Navigate to the folder where you saved the calendar file, select it, and confirm. If your file is large, give it a moment. The name of the file should appear next to the upload control when it's ready. Next, choose where in Outlook the events should go. Select a calendar to import into. You can import to your default calendar, which keeps everything in one place, or pick another existing calendar if you want to keep these events separate. For this example, choose Calendar. When you're all set, click Import. Outlook will process the file and add the events to the calendar you selected. After the import completes, you should see the new events appear in your view. If you don't see them right away, refresh the page or navigate to a different week and back. A few quick tips to avoid surprises. Imported events are a snapshot, not a live subscription, so future changes to the original file won't sync automatically. If you need updates to flow in, you'd use a subscribe option instead of a file upload. Also, make sure your time zone in Outlook matches your local time so events land at the correct hour, and try to avoid importing the same file twice to prevent duplicates. And that's it. You've successfully added or imported a calendar to Outlook.